When it comes to your venture arm, right, DWF's venture arm, I think last year Binance Research released a report where you guys had the most number of investments, right? I think that was 43, and out of that, 39 of them were the ones that you guys led, right? So, what are some criteria that you guys look at before investing in a project? Like, how do you find these projects?
Yeah, good question. You did your research, right? You have like all the sources as well.
I mean,
no, I like it. Yes, I like it. There's different factors, right? Of course, every VC knows the risk of VC investment. So I don't remember the number now, but I think it's like 9 out of 10 investments will not work out,
right,
or will not have your return, or they won't even list. But no, whenever we are looking into projects to invest into, of course, team is one of the most important aspects. If they have a track record, or if they're known in the space, or that's even better. Of course, the product itself. Sometimes some products are a little bit too early, or sometimes they're already behind the trends. At the end of the day, we see investments, right? You need to think really forward, because you'll have a lockup period, you'll have vesting schedule.
right.
So even if they list tomorrow, you still have this whole time, depending on the tokenomics, and you need to forecast those trends and what will be useful in the future or not. But of course, they have their own due diligence process, and the project needs to pass through some different factors for us to decide to invest or not.
And what's the average check size you guys do?
So because we work with early stage projects, but then also later stage projects, it's really tough. But for early stage, I would say up to 500,000. Early stage, I mean pre-seed, seed rounds. And then if it's later stage and we do OTC transactions, it varies a lot. It could be from a couple $100,000 to, for example, 50 million, like we did with Algorand. But of course, we cannot do 50 million with all tokens. Right. It depends on where they're listed, their overall volumes, etc. But yeah, it depends a lot.
And what are some narratives you guys are really bullish on for this cycle?
Yeah, good. I think what we've been looking to is DPINs. We do have a couple companies in our portfolio. For example, Wi-Fi Map. There's also WMT, World Mobile Token. They have a Web2 audience as well inside their company. There's also SAS, IoTex. There's some companies in our portfolio that are from the DPIN side, and we're looking more into it. Of course, GameFi, I think, is going to be a narrative that comes and goes, but so many VCs have over-allocated into GameFi. Right. So I think this narrative will come back. Right. But then, those are the two ones I've been looking mainly into now. Of course, the BTC ecosystem is still something that people are talking about, and we've been looking into it as well. And we do have some portfolio companies that are part of the BTC ecosystem. I think those are the ones right now, but again, trends change so fast. Right. But yeah, I think those are some of the narratives that we've been looking into. We have already invested into, and looking forward to see how they will perform now in this upcoming year.